What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Quick Tip Tuesday. If this is your first time tuning in, I just want to welcome you. This is where I will share anything real estate related tips under 2 minutes every Tuesday. So the common question I've been getting this last week and a week and a half is a few people have reached out to me asking if there are open houses still happening. Real estate board is not allowing us to hold open houses, obviously due to health concerns, to make sure they're taking the extra step to protect everybody to keeping a safe distance. So that means that you are not allowed to put open house signs, trying to get people in or publicly post that there's an open house. So what happens then? Basically, some sellers just say, well, how do you get exposure? Well, not to worry, because I think that some of you, actually most of you probably see the last month and a half, realtors have adjusted to technology, different ways of giving your home exposure if you're a home seller. So under 2 minutes, I'm gonna give you 5 things. 5 things, there are actually a lot more, but 5 essential things that I think, in my opinion, should happen as a standard, that every listing should have it. So we're gonna hit the clock, let's go. Number 1 is professionally taken photos is a must. Hire a professional to take the photos, is because now that our system allows us to upload 40 photos for make sure the viewers and the buyers have all photos that they can look at, and it's important to have nice photos for them to see it, especially if they can't attend an open house. Number 2 is having a Facebook and Instagram live virtual open house. So what that means is the listing realtor will set up a time and puts up in our MLS system, letting realtors or could be buyers aware that they're going live during this time, and they will be able to tune in on Facebook, on Instagram, or even on YouTube. So what that happens is the realtor will give them a tour of the home during that 45 minutes to half an hour, a live tour, and see basically in the comfort of your own home, and you can see the listing that way. And number 3 is listing video, definitely a must. Standard. It showcases the home that they can see it more professionally done. Again, we can't go to open houses. Not every buyer may not want to see it or just expose themselves to private showing and whatnot. They do want to see the property. And number 4 is doing a Matterport virtual tour. So that also is another basically 3D virtual mapping of your home that the viewers and buyers can go through a website and on the comfort of their own home with their laptop and mobile. They can click through each and every one of the rooms, walk down the hallways, just like as if they were touring the home itself virtually. And number 5, I think this is also another standard. I feel like with the listing video at this point, it shouldn't be done even without this whole COVID-19 happening, is a professional measured floor plan. It's nice to have the buyers to look at the floor plan beforehand to see if the photos only shows one angle and one perspective, but I feel like the floor plan really shows just how the rooms are positioned and how things are positioned. It really gives the buyers a really look at the floor plan, so they know before coming in to book that showing, to book that appointment, they know what they're getting into and they know what they're expecting. So I feel like that really sets them up and gives them confidence before they come in and before they contact you as a seller or your listing agent. If you're thinking about selling at this market at this time, please contact your realtor. Make sure you're doing all those things. Make sure you're having that conversation with them. And of course, if you have any questions for me, I'd be happy to answer them. I'll be happy to go through them. Anything you want to get me to cover during Quick Tip Tuesday, please send me a message, DM me, text, or even call me. I'll definitely try to answer those questions on these videos weekly. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share it. Hit the like button. Again, my name is Vincent. I'm with Vanity Express Real Estate Group, and I'll see you guys next Tuesday.